This 2026 Keystone Bullet Crossfire 2290BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 27 feet 0 inches in length and features a Tranquil Timber interior, sleeps 8, Slideout, oven, Skylight, microwave, TV, water heater, smoke detector, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Keystone Bullet Crossfire 2290BH is 5,600 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.